Well guys, I am back. I am back from Colorado and it's time to grind. It's time to grind. We are gonna be doing a trip to the thrift today. I'm so excited. Today is half off at the thrift store, so hopefully we find some nice things. Hopefully we have better luck than Colorado, because you guys saw thrifting in Colorado was the worst. It was not good at all. So yeah, I'm hoping that we do have a good day. I'm hoping we find a lot of things. Hoping we get stuff for good prices as well. Appreciate all the support on the Colorado videos. I do have one more Colorado video when we went to the sand dunes. Probably releasing it tomorrow or the next day. But basically that is all the content that I have saved for Colorado. So if you guys enjoyed that, I appreciate you. If you haven't seen it, make sure you guys go check it out. I have about 5 or 6 videos from my trip to Colorado. We went thrifting, and then the other stuff is kind of just vlogging. A little update on my life. I just sent an application to get a new apartment. I should probably know within a week or so if I move in. If I do, I'll be moving in on January 1st. It will be in Miami. I'm still currently looking for a truck, but to be honest, now that I'm going to South Beach, I don't think buying a truck is the best decision. I think I just need to find a car that, you know, that's good on gas. I'm not gonna be driving much. I am gonna be getting a scooter also, because I'm gonna be living in South Beach, like little that scooter life. So yeah, just stuff like that. Little update on the dogs. If you guys have been watching me, maybe like 6 videos ago, 7 videos ago, I told you guys that Jackson was not doing well. Sadly, when I was in Colorado, Jackson, we just had to make the decision to put Jackson down. So Jackson is no longer with us, sadly. He just turned 9 years old, so he was with me for basically 9 years. Not living with me personally, he was only living with me and Captain for about 2 years, but my mom got him when he was 1, so he's been in my life for 9 years basically. I can't really tell if Captain knows. I mean, obviously Captain knows that Jackson's gone, but I can't tell if he's missing him or whatnot. He's not really like looking at the door for him or whatnot. So yeah, it is sad, but I just want to let you guys know, because obviously you guys know everything, and you guys know everything about the dogs, my life, but not. So now it is just me and Captain. Captain is the big man of the house, and you know, you gotta be the big man of the house, right, Cap? Captain. Seriously, dude? Yeah, I was talking to you. I was saying you gotta be the big man of the house now. Now that Jackson's gone. I know. I miss him too. So, enough talking. Let's go hit up the first thrift store, guys. Well, first day back. Got a full cart overflow, and honestly, I don't even know what I got. I'm gonna go through it with you guys and show you, but I'm telling you, this thing is packed all the way down. Some good stuff, some not so good stuff, but let's go through and see what we have. I'm gonna actually see if I can put this on a rack somewhere and show you guys. So to start off, we do have these Hurley board shorts. They do have Miami Hurricanes print on the side, which I thought was kind of unique and cool. Obviously we live in Miami and you could always use swimsuits, so I thought that was kind of neat. Next we did get this SpongeBob Rock shirt. I wish it was bigger, but it's kind of cool, the SpongeBob Rock pants. I found these Reigning Champ sweatpants. Reigning Champ, little side hit right there. See, like stuff like this I probably won't get. I just grabbed it just because in the heat of things, but we found this Where's Waldo shirt. Super fire. Kappa sweat shorts. I don't know what these are, but I saw it had like paint on it. It's kind of cool. Vans board shorts. But it has like paint all over. I thought it was kind of unique. Found this Lacoste little alligator polo shirt. North Face fleece jacket, little zip up, little North Face hit right there. I found these before, literally the same colorway, but they were brand new with the tags. These are used. You have the NSW Nike shorts. Let's see what we got. These are Burton Ski Pants. I think these are women's though, but if you guys know, Burton Ski Pants are pretty expensive, and for $2 I don't mind it at all. It's perfect time to sell them too, because it's ski season. Let's see what else we got right here. This is a GLD long sleeve. I'll probably not get this, but like I said, I just grabbed a bunch of stuff and threw it in the cart.
What are these? These I thought were interesting. I don't know the brand though, I have to look them up. But I thought they were kind of cool with like the gold accents, little track pants. Again, I don't know the brand, I gotta look them up, but these Zara sweatpants, probably gonna end up leaving these, but they look like they were new with the tags on the inside, but it's not. Then for t-shirts, let's see what we got for t-shirts. This is kind of like me going through it as I go. Tom and Jerry reprint. Tweety vintage 1997. I don't know why I grabbed this. I think I might have thought it was something else. What is this? This is brand new with tags. Orange Bowl. What year is this from? Trojans. Doesn't even say the year. Oh, 2005. Brand new with the tags though. What is this? Just a vintage 1996 bear shirt. Again, not sure if I'm gonna grab that. We'll put that to the side. I saw this Burberry Brit little v-neck. Again, $5.49 half off, so it's like $2. No, it doesn't have any Burberry branding, but it's still Burberry. I don't think I meant to grab that. What is this? Hillary Clinton, like almost like the Obama you guys see, but the Hillary Clinton, of course, it's not double-sided, sadly, but still super sick, like that Obama style like shirt that they always have. Super sick tie-dye. Just crazy colors. What is this? Hard Rock Hollywood. I'll probably just put this. Yeah, put that away. What other we have? Lacoste, another little navy alligator. Found this bear, but I think I'm gonna put it back because there's a bunch of stains on it. Yeah. And then these camo pants. So, full cart of stuff. Basically everything I showed you. I took out a few things, but yeah, full cart.
Well guys, first day back, first store, we struck gold, a full bag of stuff. And this is what I like to see, you know. It was so disappointing because at the end of the day, I'm making content for you guys. If I don't find anything, I don't have a good video, and then I can't record. So it's like I need to have good finds. I need to find stuff so that way I can make a quality content video for you guys. So I'm so glad we did get a full bag of stuff because, you know, it was good content. But we're headed to the next thrift store. Hopefully we get as lucky as that and kind of just continue our day. You know, a trip to the thrift. We're back, baby, we're back. So let's hit the next thrift store, guys.
Well, so far the only thing we found was these camo pants, and the reason why I pick them up is you can't go wrong with camo pants. I mean, they're $2.50, so it's like whether I keep them for myself or whether I sell it to one of you guys, it's a steal all day. It does seem like it has a little fix right here, but that just adds character. Damn, this got me good. It's Fashion Nova, but I thought it was Rolex at first. Obviously it says relax, but I was like, damn, a Rolex shirt? That'd be fire. So it seems like this is a new age just because it's on a Gildan, but look how fire this wraparound double-sided Hawaii with the lava going around. This shirt is so fire. Literally. This new age Tommy little sweatshirt wouldn't be too bad if it wasn't cracking so much. Just have the Tommy red, white, and blue on the little spell out. Well, here's another new age Tommy Hilfiger jacket, little Hilfiger spell out. Not bad. Better than the other one. So far 3 items. We have this. He's feeling himself. As far as shoes, nothing really good. We found these Converse collab with Jack Purcell, but they're really beat. Did find these Polo Ralph Lauren little boots also. Polo Sport Ralph Lauren. 20 bucks. Kind of ugly though. I think I'm just gonna leave with, oh, I didn't even show you guys. I found 2 Dolphin jerseys too. Wow, looks like some super beaters. What size are these? 5.5 Y. 20 bucks though. I don't know, I'll look them up. They're super beat though, but it looks like they're mainly leather, so I could probably clean them up.
Well, we just got out of store number 2 and it wasn't that bad. We ended up getting about 4 or 5 items. Obviously not a full cart like the first store, but anything is better than nothing. Like I said, when we were in Colorado, I didn't find anything. I found like, what, 4 shirts, and we hit literally 12 to 15 thrift stores, and we went all over the place. We didn't just go like in one main city. We literally went all over Colorado. I think I am gonna hit up one more thrift store and then we gotta get back to the house because I am going up north to my dad's house. Oh no, I just realized I got a ticket. Fuck. I got a ticket. I never get tickets, damn it. Oh, it's like $25 probably. $30, $36, Jesus. Oh man, why did I get a ticket? Why didn't I not just pay? I have to start paying, dude. This is ridiculous. $36. Well, I guess it's like I didn't find anything because now I gotta sell everything and pay for that ticket. But yeah, let's go hit up another thrift store. And then, like I said, I am going up north to my dad's house for Christmas. So I'm gonna be thrifting up there. It's kind of dry up North Florida, but I am gonna be making thrift videos up there. But let's go hit up the next thrift store.
So this thrift store is a little more expensive thrift store. We did find, where was this? This Polo Ralph Lauren. A little like Crest, but they want $25, so it's too expensive. We did find this Fila Sony Ericsson Open, but $15, not worth it. Hawkers, let's see what we can find. Full carts. What is this? Born Fly. This thrift store is always a hit or miss, but just like every thrift store is a hit or miss, but this one in particular, just because usually there's always people that are camping and like wait for the new stuff. Wow, this is so soft. I really like this, but it's $13. Adidas, Express, Nautica. Like the perfect time for this. 25 bucks. Full like gingerbread man suit. Alright, let's see. As far as shoes, I don't think there's anything good sitting here. I saw a few people with a lot of shoes in their cart. Polo, these Cole Haan, Nautica. Nah, nothing good. Fila Disruptors. So that's where all the Jordans are hiding. And the Nikes, if you see, there's two Air Maxes there. Jordans up there. Those Jordans. Just gotta figure out how much they are, but see there's two Air Maxes, Jordans and Jordans. So let's see how much they are. Alright, so I just looked at the Nikes, were $90 each. I looked up on eBay, they're going for $50. Those middle ones are $200. Those bottom ones are $200. The red ones are $150. The other ones are $100, and then the other 8s are $100. So I am leaving with nothing. Those Jordans were way too expensive. It's crazy. Like usually they would put the Jordans at maybe $20, $30. I've never seen them put them at $200, $150, $90. That was just ridiculous, super crazy. But hopefully maybe someone buys them and they get them for themselves. But like I said, those Air Maxes, they wanted $90, and I literally just looked it up on eBay in the first listing, had to buy it now for $50. So I don't know, it is what it is. Now I'm gonna head home. Let's go check on Captain, see how he's doing, and let's get some lunch because your boy's starving. You want to say hi to the people? They always love when they see Captain. They always love, ever since when I first got you, people love when you're on the camera. They always want Captain's camera. Are you shy? Well, I just made it back, and I quickly want to run down everything that I got, but also I didn't realize I had like 3 big bags of clothes that is just unlisted inventory. So I'm going to quickly do is I'm going to show you everything that I have, but also check link down below. I'm going to try to get most of this stuff listed. If there's something that you see, take a screenshot and send it to me on Instagram at DITR954. Just be like, yo, Emilio, I want to cop this. Can you put it on for sale, or just figure out what it is? But I'm gonna try to list as much as I can today before this video goes out. I am gonna show you guys and quickly edit this so it couldn't go out today at 8 p.m. Today is Saturday. I don't know whatever date it is, but the day you guys are watching this is the day I'm filming it. So let's quickly just jump into it. So again, I'm gonna be showing you guys stuff that you wouldn't see me buy in this trip to the thrift because I got it
other days. But basically, I picked up this Tumi backpack. If you know Tumi, you know Tumi is very expensive. It's one of my favorite backpacks or briefcases, luggage, whatever you want to say. It's basically really nice branding. So we did pick up this Tumi backpack. We have this vintage Guess made in USA, brown denim jacket, little Guess jeans. We have this Sisters, all shapes and colors, single stitch. I'm just going to kind of run through it quickly. The Batman, now we picked this up in Colorado, so a few things you're going to see in Colorado, the Colorado finds, and then the few things you'll see that we picked up today. Billy the Marlin hat, E30 BMWs, super sick Animal Planet bear shirt, another wolf shirt, another bear, I was going to say. We have this Czech Republic, I think. I don't know what it is, but a super sick hockey jersey, a bootleg Supreme box logo, Miami Hurricanes, Disney, the Polo Ralph Lauren crew neck. A lot of people have been hitting me up. I am going to get this listed today. The Obama shirt, the Steal the Burn Grateful Dead shirt, the Hopeless Kick More Nike shirt, and then this gets into the finds of today. So I'm gonna quickly just run. I got the North Face jacket, I got the Camo Pants, the SpongeBob shirt, the tie-dye shirt, the Hillary Clinton like presidential shirts, the 2005 Orange Bowl, the reprint Tom and Jerry, just because it's so sick. I mean, if you grew up on this, it is so fire. It doesn't matter if it's a reprint or not. You're not going to find a vintage Tom and Jerry shirt like this. And if you do, it's going to be thousands of dollars. Of 1997 Tweety Bird shirt. I picked this up. It's a Woman's All Saint. I usually don't pick up women's stuff, but it had a retail price of $145. It was sitting in the men's section, so I figured, you know what? For $2, I'll pick it up and throw it on the site. I did grab those. Again, I'm not sure of this brand, but it looks sick, and they're very soft. It's like a navy with a little red and glitter ribbon. Track pants. 2 pairs of shorts. We have the Nike NSW. And then we do have the Reigning Champs. Both gray shorts. We do have the Kappa, and they actually were brand new with tags. The tag is still attached, but the actual price tag is ripped off. But super sick, very nice, very soft Kappa fleece shorts. I did grab the Miami Hurricanes Hurley board shorts, as well as the Vans board shorts. The little Lacoste black polo, the Burberry Brit V-neck sweater, the Burton women's ski pants, the size 5.5 Jordans, Camo Pants, the Hawaii fire shirt, and then both Dolphin jerseys. So like I said, I'm going to quickly edit this video and I'm going to start listing. If you haven't used Mercari, make sure you use the second link. The second link is a referral link. We'll both get like $30 to $50. I'm not sure exactly. There are some stipulations, but if you've never used it, just click on the link, download it, and if you have used it, click on the first link and look at my stuff. So I hope you guys did enjoy. You know, we're back. We're going to be doing trips to the thrifts every single week. So we just got to get into the swing of things. I am going to be moving within the next 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going down to Miami. So that might be even better content just because I'm closer. But let me know in the comments down below, what videos do you guys want to see for 2021? Yes, I'm going to be doing thrifting. Yes, I'm going to be doing shopping. But give me some other ideas. What do you guys want to see? How can I improve my videos? Do you guys want me to start doing cinematic things? Do you guys want me to start playing music on my videos? Like, just give me examples of what you guys want to see, how I can make the videos better for your entertaining, for your liking. But like I said, that is enough. I need to quickly edit this video, take all these pictures, and list this stuff. So I hope you guys did enjoy. Come back tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.